Joshua Nayak,
May charging kayo pa ng lumang
Parasha, John Ampi,
Ay, sabi! Amsim!
Edgar Simba, and Pierre Cole.
Bahay.
And for Team Blue, we have John Susi, Ted Reyes, Glenn Dila, Ken Rodwell, and Kuya Makoy from Talisay.
Wala si Philip, no? Wala si Philip? Wala. Nandun sa bahay. May ano kasi, na punit daw yung... Ito lang.
Let's start the ball game. The ball is in favor of Team Blue. Kuya Makoy, pass to Ken. Ken drew the ball, pass to Glenn. 20 seconds on shot clock. Ken going inside for the layup. No good. Rebounded by Josh. Long pass to Pirko for the layup. It's good. 2 points for Pirko. Ken pass to Ted. Almost stolen by Paras. Special shout out to Jericho Tamayo.
Hey!
John Susi pass to Ted. Ted pass to Kuya Makoy. Pass to Glenn. Pass to Ken. Pass back to Ted. Ted for 3. No good. Rebound by Ampi. Long pass to Pirko. Still recovered pass to Paras for 2. No good. Ball in favor of Team Blue. Ted drew the ball. Pass to Kuya Makoy for 3. And there's a foul. Talisay to Talisay. What a nice foul by Edgar. First personal foul for Edgar. First team foul. 3 free throws coming out for Makoy. First shot, no good.
Wala, yung may gusto ni Philip. Wala.
Second shot is good. Last throw,
Diba? Hindi isa yung MVP. Tapos, bola at saka.
no good. Rebound by Ampi. Pass to Pirko.
Sayang.
Pirko to the ball. Pierre for 3, no good. Rebound by Glenn. Glenn going to the other side. Pass to Kuya Makoy. Pass back to Glenn. Glenn for 3. Bang! 3 points for Glenn. Here go. Pass to Joshua Naya. Pass to Edgar from Talisay. And what's the correct? Offensive foul by number 12. Joshua Naya. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Ay, palagay nga doon sa table. Doon sa table. Ilan?
Then, dribble the ball. Pass to Kuya Makoy. For the hook, no good. Ampi pass to Pirko. Pirko is first teammate. Pass to Edgar from Talisay for 2. Bang! The shot sa Minglanilla. Ken dribble the ball. Pass to John Susi. John Susi going inside for the layup. No, and it's out of bounds. Ball still in favor of Team Blue. 13 seconds to shoot. Glenn, pass to Glenn. Glenn, pass to Ken. Pass to Makoy. Ball inflected. 6 seconds to shoot. Makoy pass to Reyes. Reyes pass to Glenn. 4 seconds to shoot. And the ball is stolen. Still recovered. And for 3, no good. Rebound by Pierre. Pass to Paras. Paras for the layup is good. 2 points for Paras. 10 inbound pass to Ted. Ted dribble the ball. Going to the other side. Pass to Glenn. Glenn for 3, no good. Rebound by Ampi. Ampi dribble the ball. Pass to Pierre. Pierre for the sidestep pass to Edgar, and it's good. 2 points for Edgar. Ken pass to Ted. Ted with the ball. Pass to McCoy. McCoy pass back to Ted. Pass back to McCoy. Pass to John Susi for two. No good. Edgar for the rebound. Pass to Pierre. Pierre going to the other side. Nagmamadali. For left. Bang! 2 points for Pierre. John Susi. Recovered by Dylan. Glenn pass to Ken. Ken for the layup and it's blocked. Ball is still in favor of Team Blue. 11 seconds to shoot. Ken pass to McCoy. McCoy long pass to Glenn. Glenn for three. No good. Recovered by Ampi. Pass to Joshua. Pass to Edgar. 3-on-1. Edgar for the layup. Bang! 2 points for Edgar. Ball is still in favor of Team Green. Stepping violation. Ay, wala. Oh, warning lang. Ted with the ball. Ted going inside for two. No good. Rebound by John Susi. 2 points for John Susi. Pierre for two is good. 2 points for Pierre. Score 14 against 6. Last 2 minutes of the first quarter. McCoy to the ball. 4-2, no good. Joshua long pass to Pierre. For the layup, it is good. 2 points for Pierre. And the ball is out of bounds. Ball in favor of Team Green. 1 minute and 30 seconds to be exact. Time remaining on the first quarter. We're past the Joshua for the layup, and there's a foul. Foul, first personal foul, John Susi. Second, first team foul. Joshua first shot, no good. Second shot, no good. Rebounded by Joshua. 2 is good. 2 points teardrop for Joshua is good. John Susi on pass to Ted. Ted drew the ball. Pass to Ken. Ken pass to John Susi for three. No good. Joshua long pass to Paras. Paras for two. No good. The ball is rebounded by John Susi. Recovered by Ken. Pass to Ken. Pass back to Ken. Pass to McCoy. Pass to Ted. And the ball is out of bounds. 25 seconds. Kaka-ML kasi hindi nakashot. 15 seconds. Pierre, give the ball. 10. Pierre for three. Bang! 3 points for Pico. End of the first quarter. Score 21 against 6 in favor of Team Green.
Ah, sige, pili ko. Padel, mag-interview.
Second quarter. Green ball. Eric pass to Shah. Number 12. Number 12 lays up 2 points. Score 23-6. Dylan pass to number 22. Number 22, running shot. Missed, rebound by 0, put back 2 points. Still, number 1, Dipsy Do. What a shot by number 1. 23-10 in favor of Green. Go for 3, Barrett, 3 points. 26-10. Dylan, pass to Susie. Number 11. There's the foul committed by number 13, Eric. Reyes, pass to number 11 for 3, miss. Rebound by number 8, pass to 4. Go, nagmamadali. Go, right pass to Eric. Eric back to go. To number 26, 2 points, 28-10. Number 17. To number 22, short, rebound by Eric. Pass to number 26. Sean, nice touch pass. 30-10, 20-point lead, Green Team. Foul number 13, Eric, that's your second. 2 shots, number 11. First 3, no good. Second 2. Miss 4 free throws. Rebound by number 10, pass to go, all the way! Almost! Rebound by number 0. There's the foul. Foul on number 4, go. That's your first 13 foul, Green. Number 11, yes sir. Go from the parking lot, misses. Rebound by number 26 to number 8. To number 12, 2 points, 32-12. Number 11, short. Rebound by number 12, pass to go. Go, stop, pull up for 3. No good. Rebound by number 22, pass to Reyes. Reyes, stop, pull up, miss. Rebound by number 8. Steal. Number 17, kick out pass to number 22. Short. Timeout. Net Green. Eric, crossover, grab pass to number 26 to number 8, 12-second shot clock. Go, guarded by number 11, screen by number 26, 5-second shot clock. Shot clock violation. Steal by Go. Turnaround shot. Fade away short. Rebound getting by Go. Again. Fade away. Miss. Reyes to number 11. Turnover. Relic. Good lap for 3. Rebound number 12. Strong move. 2 points. Number 17, Reyes. Misses the ball. Turnover. Number 26, traveling. Two points. Score 34-14. Out of bounds. Reyes the right for 3. Rebound by Eric. 2 points for Edgar is good. Glenn inbound pass to Ken. Ken to the ball. Ken pass to Ted for 3. Bang! 3 points for Ted is good. Paras with the ball. Last 2 minutes time remaining of the second quarter. Eric for 3, no good. Rebound by Glenn. Pass to Ken. Ken pass back to Glenn. Glenn to the ball. For the pass to Khalil for 2 is good. Paras inbound pass to Pierre. Pierre going inside and the ball is inflected. Ball in favor of Team Blue. Ted pass to Sakib, pass to Glenn, 4-3, no good. Rebound by Joshua, pass to Pirko. Pierre for the layup, and there's a foul counted. Foul number 17. First personal foul, first team foul. Bonus free throw coming up for Pirko. No good. Rebound by Khalil. Last 1 minute time remaining. Ball served by Paras. Pass to Edgar from Khalil side. Forward to. Hala, wala. Edgar for the rebound again. Pass to Paras. Stolen by Ted. Ted pass to Sakib. Pass to Glenn for 2. 2 points is good for Glenn. Last 30 seconds time remaining. Glenn to the ball, pass to Glenn. Glenn to the ball, pass to Sakib. Sakib dribbled the ball, last 15 seconds. Sakib for the layup is good. 2 points for Sakib.
10 seconds.
Pass to Edgar from Talisa. Oh, it's blocked by Sakib. End of the second quarter.
Wala, hindi nag-record.
I think mag-ano tayo?
Introduction?
Okay guys, we have raffles.
Jersey.
One jersey. We're rolling the spin. And the winner is Muhammad Taufik.
Uy, panalo ako!
Eric.
Pwede naman, kahit hindi na.
Panalo agad. kay Kuya Leo.
Habang nag-game, tuloy mo lang. Para mamaya ulit.
Eric, pass to Pirco for 3. Short. Recovered by Eric Ramos, Team Lingam, Team Green.
Tira!
Pass to Nayak. Nayak for 3, no good. Recovered by Paras,
Hindi mo tinanggal yung pangalan.
aka Jason. Do you remember? Pass to Nayak, pass to Ampi for 2. Bang! 2 points for Ampi. Saki going inside for the layup. Bang! 2 points for Saki. Paras, pass to Nayak. Nayak through the ball. Nayak going inside. 2 points for Nayak. Ted Iban pass to Saki. Saki through the ball, going to the other side. 4-2 is good. 2 points for Saki. Paras, long pass to Pirco. Pirco for 2. No good. Recovered by Pirco. Stolen by Ted. Ted going to the other side. Ted pass to Ken Roundwell for 3. No good. Recovered by Paras. Pass to Eric. Eric for 3 for the 69th time. No good. Pico. Pass to Joshua Nayak. Joshua for the layup is good. 2 points for Joshua Nayak. Ted dribble the ball. Going to the other side for the layup. Oh, it's good. 2 points for Ted is good.
Kunin mo yung bola. Bago makadiscuss siya. Makadiscuss siya.
Kids, mamaya yung maglaro ha, baka ma-discuss siya yung mga players. Later na, later. Paras, dribble the ball. Time remaining 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Pass to Eric. Eric. For the 70th time, no good. Recovered by Paras, stolen by Ken. Ken for the layup, no good. Recovered by Pirco. Pirco, long 3, no good. Mako, the ball is recovered by Makoy. Makoy initiating, pass to Reyes. Reyes looking for his teammate, pass to Sakib. Sakib, Makoy for 3, no good. Pico, dribble the ball. Wow, what a dribble by Pico. Pico pass to Eric. Eric for 3, still no good. The ball is recovered, stolen by Khalil, pass to Sakib. Sakib for the layup, no good. Recovered by Jason. Stolen by Ted. Ted Reyes for 3. No pass to Ken for 2 is good. 2 points for Ken is good. Ampe ibang pass to Paras. Pass to Joshua Nayak. Pass to Pirco. 12 seconds to shoot. Joshua, 2 points is good. Makoy pass to Ted. Ted with the ball. For the crossover. Ted for the layup. No good. Joshua Nayak pass to Eric. Uy! Uy! Pass to Faraz. Faraz with the ball. Oy! Traveling violation. Called by the referee.
Time out?
Time out. Okay, again. Raffles again. Jersey Elite, sponsored by Ryan. Thank you for the jerseys.
Ball ka mirror.
The roll is spinning, and we have a winner. Saki from Team Blue. Please come forward and claim your jersey. Sir.
Ikaw. Saan ka lang? Wala. Tapos na. Talo na. Announce na lang ako.
Saki, please choose one jersey only. 2 is not allowed. Okay? Congrats again, Sakib. Say thank you to Ryan. Ryan is there in front. Sakib, say thank you to Ryan. Again, pass to Glenn. Pass to, no, it's stolen by Joshua. Pass to Pirko. Pirko, pass to Nayak. Nayak, what about Anders of foul? Who's foul, ref? Number 17, Ted Reyes. Third personal foul, first team foul. Third. 2 free throws coming up for Nayak. First throw, no good. Time remaining, last 4 minutes of the final quarter. Second shot is good. Ted Reyes inbound pass to John Susi. Special shout out to Morris Apresto and Mrs. Apresto. How are you? And little Morris. Oy! A foul from Talisay to Talisay. Na-foul sa Minglanilla. 4 fouls for Mr. Edgar from Talisay. Glenn for 3. No good. Rebound by Ampi. Ampi going to the other side. Ampi pass to Nayak. 2 points is good. 2 points for Nayak is good. Special shout out to Amir from Team Red. Ted to the ball, pass to McCoy, pass back to Ted. Ted for 3. Back! Ted Reyes for 3. Pirko, what a nice movement. 2 points for Pirko is good. Ken dribble the ball. Looking for his teammate. Dumadrecho, pass to John Susi. Bang! Body guards. 2 points for John Susi. Long pass to Nayak. Pass to Pir for layup is good. 2 points for Pirko. Ted dribble the ball. Pass to John Susi. Stolen by John Jason. Pass to Nayak. Pass to Pirko. Wow, what a nice 2 points for Pirko. Last 2 minutes. Ted pass to Glenn. Glenn pass to Ken. Stolen by Ampi. No, it's recovered by Ken. Pass to Glenn. Pass back to Ken. And the ball is out of bounds. Special shout out to our recommender from Team Red, GG Paner. Mag-interview tayo later. Here go pass to Nayak. Nayak going inside for the layup is good. 2 points for Nayak. John Susi pass to Ted. Ted pass to Glenn. Glenn pass to Ted. Ted pass again to Glenn for 3. No good. Short. Rebound by Ampi. Pass to Paras. Pass to Nayak. Nayak for the layup. 2 points for Nayak. Last 1 minute of the final quarter. Stolen by Paras. Pass to Nayak. Pass to Pirko. Pirko for 3. Bang! 3 points for Pirko.
Papasok ko sa'yo. Pwede kang mag-connect na sa Wheel of Games. Tapos ikaw na mag-ulita ng mga, ano mamaya. Papasok sa'yo yung mga listahan niyo ng sulat. Kasi copy mo lang siya.
Hey, no good for Edgar. Bakit ganun? Here for 3, no good. Last 10 seconds of the final quarter. John Susi for 3. Wala. End of the final quarter. Winner, Team Green. Score 76 against 49. Please shake hands for both teams. for good sportsmanship.
You're looking for him?
PJ Brand,
Okay. That one wearing white.
interview.
White there. Wearing white there. Talking to the number violet. Number violet naman. Nice thing up. So fit. With the clean shape.
Team Green, please come forward, claim your trophy, and you are the winner for the runner-up. Please, Team Green, and one pictorial. You don't score? Picture, Team Green. Team Green, please come forward and claim your medals given by Brian Pahara, our commissioner. Virgo, Joshua, Paras, Amparado, Simba, Eric, congrats. Please wear your medals and come here forward for picture taking. Claim your trophy. Here. Ah, dito na lang, dito. Sige, amping. Picture. Kuya Banjo. Congrats, Team Green! Uy!
Eh, busy si Eric.
Busy, Eric.